before we are singing. Pac or Prince, perhaps, anything unfettered, in tacit reverence of the open road of us, free and forever. Off the cuff, the inside of my daddy's Toyota Corolla becomes a mobile cipher at 50 miles per hour. There's only the melody of this moment and nothing beyond the back seat. I catch an eyeful of him in the rearview mirror. He is seeing me and Omen at the same time. The music breaks into my mother's breath. We are all dead.
Still, I know the drill, the formula. Pulled over by flashing lights, a fear as old as fire and rope. Policemen approach, unsmiling. They too know the history here. The control I do not and never will have over what happens next. Get out the car! Place your hands behind your back! They're looking for 2 suspects in a cream Nissan. A liquor store was robbed just 2 blocks away, and our car isn't cream. Not a Nissan either. This occurs to me only as afterthought. Right now, I am focused on the policeman's hands, his impatient gun, the infinity between being here and not, the stories I can no longer keep track of.
My father's eyes are not his. They are 2 bloodshot bullets aimed straight ahead, flashed my brother in the back and his brown skin. He doesn't look like a boy anymore, but a black man, like meat. My father rebukes his impatience with a steel jaw. Never let them know what you think of them.
I am 18 years old, a dead language handcuffed to the side of the highway.
You are bait.
I don't speak, don't scream, don't move. Too late. One shot, 2 shot. Who shot? Your block. 3 cops, 4 cops. We lock your pops. Your son, your mom, 3 moms, 4 moms, 5 moms, 10 mil. Standard, stay still, dead still. 4 girls and Till. Oscar, Trayvon, McBride, Sean Bell. Unarmed, still killed. Rich folk sleep well. Them boys in blue, pull quick, don't think. My scared, my strong, my blink, sun's gone. 1 youth, 2 youth. Our kids uncouth.
Skin brown, face down,
Hands up, black brute.
streets like
Landmines.
Black op,
Men marked.
Law stop, law frisk, law strike,
Leave scars.
Tell him, hold him, black boy,
Doctrine.
5-0, hunt us,
Target practice.
young defenseless,
Labeled reckless. Light begets us. Fire won't end us.